38, Camarines National High School, Benefactor Avenue, United City. Student, Servicios C. Altres, PhD.
Thank you.
Camarines National High School, Barbaman South. Cadet Colonel Enrique S. Adolfo, Corps Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ian Arthur C. Casalla, Corps XO. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Ray T. Delta, Corps S1. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jesse S. Suki, Corps S2. Leader Lieutenant Colonel I. J. Ino, Corps S3. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Romeo Jesus E. Balaki, Corps S4. Major Leader Micaela Ashley C. Vito. Last Leader Joseph Itaka. Company Commander Cadet Leader Lawrence Ashley S. Captain. Company XO Instructor Frank S. Samuel. First Leader Boy Lieutenant Justice R. Offset. Second Leader Lieutenant Dr. R. Kogan. PAE Facilitator Jose S. Reyes. Advisor Coordinator M. Major Secretary, Karen William Adios, Matt Pastor Luis Indiasa, MC number 20, Camarines National High School, Naga City.